Before we do that, I just want to make something very clear. There's no relationship between a linked list and an array, and I'm giving an example of two different types of containers, two different types of حاجات, like structures that we can use to store values of any type. So there's no relation between array and linked list. احنا we're just using arrays عشان ده الcontainer اللي احنا نعرفه. A vector is also a container. What's it called? A queue is a container, a stack is a container, and a linked list is a container. كل دول different like containers بالظبط, like if you have a box of things, there are different containers to store usually any value. Okay, so what are the differences between these two types of containers? Remember احنا قلنا, just before we go into code, we said that an array you can do لو مثلا عايز اجيب element, عايز اجيب the second element اللي هي طبعا هتبقى, how do I get an eraser on this thing? How do I get the eraser? Okay, sorry. Right, okay, اللي هي, oh my god. Okay, اللي هي طبعا second element is array of 1. If I want to get array of 1 in my linked list, if I want to get the second element in my linked list, there's no way I can, and عايزين نسمي linked list, let's name our linked list L. There's no such thing as L of 1. I have to traverse my linked list. I have to start from C وأقعد go يعني to however many elements I want. I'd have to start from my first element and move to my second one. That's the only way, like that's just the way that this container works. Okay, let's represent these things in code.